Hi friends, I'm Rovina. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a yummiest curry from my collection, the prawn, potato and drumstick curry. Come on, let's get started. To start, we'll layer our flavors into an earthen pot by adding some prawns. I've used 500 grams of prawns, 2 potatoes and 3 drumsticks. The link for cleaning the prawns is mentioned in the description box. I have cubed the potatoes and I have cut the drumstick lengthwise and removed the outer skin. Now I am adding 2 tomatoes for that perfect tanginess. Now let me add some water, enough to cook the veggies and the prawns. Do not add excess water because we have to add the masala and the water later on. I will season it with little bit of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give a good mix and let the vegetables and the prawns cook. It's ideal to close the lid while cooking. Please check the description box for complete details on the recipe and description about the dish. The veggies and the prawns are almost cooked. While that simmers, let's prepare our masala for the curry. I've taken 1 medium-sized coconut, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander, 1.5 teaspoon of mustard, half lemon-sized tamarind, 4 peppercorns, 1.5 teaspoon of jeera and 4 red chilies. Let me put together in a mixer grinder and grind it to a fine paste. While grinding masala, you can also add 1 small onion and 3 cloves of garlic, which is optional. I haven't added it. Add the ground masala into our pot with prawns and veggies, giving it a gentle stir and letting those flavors melt together. I've also added the water after cleaning the mixer grinder. I just can't explain to you how delicious this curry is. You can also try it with only potatoes without adding drumsticks, as drumsticks are seasonal, won't be available all the time. At this stage, you can add some salt if required. With slightly thick consistency, this curry pairs perfectly with boiled rice, or you can dip some neer dosa or idlis for a satisfying meal. After a gentle boil, we will put off the flame. There is no need of adding any tempering to this curry. You can enjoy it just the way it is. Our prawn, potato and drumstick curry is ready to serve. I hope you all loved watching this video. Until we meet next time, wish you happy cooking.